Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take live photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, we're gonna have to launch the camera application on the smartphone. Then make sure to switch to the photo mode. In the mode selection, make sure that the light conditions are fine so you can see the object well in the camera. And then you're gonna have to tap the play icon in the top right corner of the screen to enable motion photos. Tap capture the photo, and let's open it. Now once we see the photo in the gallery, we'll also see view motion photo option. And if you tap on this option, you will see a short footage presenting this photo. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.